Creative Art. My name is Salma and today we are going to make Kerala mural glass painting. This time friends, I have done Kerala mural painting on glass. That's why we say it Kerala mural glass painting. Please do watch the whole video to learn how I have made this beautiful Kerala mural painting on glass, and do try it yourself. Please do subscribe my channel to watch more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notifications for each video I post every week. All the materials required to make this beautiful Kerala mural glass painting are mentioned in the description box below as well as shown in the video. To get this image to use it as a reference, please do click on the link www.creativearthome.com, which is my website. So enjoy painting friends. Friends, first of all, let's check out all the materials which we are going to require for glass painting. First of all, we are going to require Fevicryl glass colors which are water based and available in 10 shades. And secondly, we'll be requiring Camlin glass liners. There are 3 types of glass liners I generally use. First of all, the 261 metallic gold camel glass liner, or else the 262 metallic silver camel glass liner, or else the 832 black glass color liner from Fevicryl, which is available with the box itself. And as a base, we are going to use OHP sheet. So this is a OHP sheet. It is a transparent sheet which is quite flexible, and on it is really very easy to do glass painting. And if you don't get OHP sheet, you can also use a real glass. Here you can see this is a piece of glass. This is a A4 size of glass. This is not flexible. Here you can see the voice of it. Either you can use a glass or else you can also use a OHP sheet. And other than that, you will require a reference. So for this glass painting, I'm going to use a reference of a Kerala mural painting. And other than that, you'll also need a tape to secure all the 4 sides. So let's start now. And our first step is to place a transparent OHP glass sheet. Now using tape, I'm going to secure all the 4 sides. Okay, so here all the 4 sides are secured now. I'm going to use black 832 Fevicryl glass color outliner, which comes with the box itself. I'm going to start the lining part now. You can start lining part from whichever side you're comfortable. Try to make the lines as thin as possible, as Kerala mural paintings generally have a lot of detailing parts. So be careful when you're lining. So friends, in the same way, I'm going to do the lining part and then I will show you how does it looks. Okay. Now friends, we have finally completed the lining part and this is how it looks. I have kept it to get dry for at least 24 hours. And so now I'm going to remove all the 4 secure sides using my cutter. The 4 sides are removed now. And this is how it looks. I'll turn it out for you so that you can clearly see the designing part. Friends, you can very clearly see the designing part. What I have done is I have used only 2 colors, that is the black liner and the silver liner, and I have made the designing part first using the black liner, and after making the black design I have done the silver dots to make the string of mala. And after making the silver dots, on above the silver dots I have covered it using the black liner. You can clearly see the silver dots which are visible, the tips of it are visible, and after that above that silver dots I have covered it using the black liner, and this is the design we have obtained through it. Okay, so this is how you have to do for Kerala mural glass paintings. Okay friends, so now we are going to start the coloring part using Fevicryl glass colors which are water based and available in 10 shades. First of all, I'm going to use skin color to color the face and the ear. Now let's do the orange color. Now I'm going to use yellow color. I'm going to use a parrot green color. I'm using orange color now. Now I'm going to use tomato red color. And I'm going to color the whole background using red. Now I'm going to use brown color at the borders and slightly mix it with red to give it a shade. Okay friends, our Kerala mural painting is finally completed, so I'll just let it get dry and then I'll show you how does it looks, okay? Yeah friends, our Ganesha mural painting has finally got dried up and this is how it looks from this side. I have kept it for at least 24 hours to let it get dry completely. Now I'm going to turn it for you. And this is the front view of it. I'll show you closely how does it looks from a close view, and even from the close view it looks very beautiful. Here you can clearly see friends, there is not even a single bubble in this glass painting, and this is the perfection you can create by practice only. So do try this glass painting, and here I'm going to show you the full view of it. The jewelry we have made, it really looks very beautiful. Okay, so I'll just quickly frame it for you and then show you how does it looks. Okay, yeah friends, this is how beautiful our Kerala mural glass painting looks when I have framed it. It would have looked much more beautiful if I have used a golden or bronze color border. As I don't have it, so I have framed it in black. Please to give it a try friends, as this was a really very easy and simple glass painting. I have also decorated the sides of it using a lamp which I have made in previous video and candle stands which I use for decorating. Please to give it a try yourself and tell me in the comments below how did you find this video friends. And if you did like this video, please to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.